So, yeah, I need to fix that. I hope you're doing well. Welcome to another video, the second one here today on this channel, because Virgin Galactic is up 5%, and actually there's no news. Yes, there's no news and the stock is up 5%, so we need to check what's going on. So first of all, let's have a look into their, let me see how I can, here we go. So as you can see here, this is their Twitter profile. And you can see here that basically since the last test flights, we didn't have any updates. So we had just an announcement that clarified a little bit the SEC S1 form that, you know, became now this S3 form. So it was already just the announcement that, you know, those entities could sell the shares, because there was a lot of panic and people thought that this is something new and insiders are selling. Though there is a little bit of selling by insiders. I got just today another two of SEC fillings that I got today. Let us have a look if we can pull this off. Virgin Galactic investors relations. So here we go. Let's have a look. Fillings and forms. So here's actually where you can find all the fillings that are released. And as you can see here, the 22nd of December, there was a couple of them. And here's, for example, let me zoom in. Here is selling 959 shares by the CFO. Then there is another one, 848. The president is selling. And the last one here that I saw is the former COO and president from the space spaceship company, I think it is, or space shuttle company. I don't know. I think it's the spaceship company. It's a small division, or the manufacturing division in Virgin Galactic. So also here we see some selling 1,000 shares. So all in all, you see it's not that crazy. So it's more, you know, maybe they just got options that, you know, got the lifetime, and then they got the shares, and then they are selling those shares, because again, we have no news since then. Unfortunately, also not a real update on the next test flight. You know, this will be the next big catalyst for the stock, obviously. And here you can see the stock finished more than 5% today with no news. That's absolutely interesting. And let's have a look if we see some kind of technical issue. And yeah, I think you know, here you can see that actually the reason for that is quite technical. So here, once they exited this resistance here, you know, yesterday we closed at 247, and around 225.86 is the resistance. So we broke through it, and this gave the stock a bullish, you know, gain until 26.81. This was the closing of today. So congratulations to this 5%. And now you know the reason as well. So I hope you appreciate this kind of updates. Make sure to follow me on Instagram as well. I don't know why the graphics are all a little bit misplaced. So Wolf of Dubai Danny, you can you know, just go on Instagram and follow me there. I would be highly appreciative of that. And obviously make sure to stump up this episode here, which is a little bit with technical difficulties combined. So yeah, so what's going on with Virgin Galactic? Obviously they are now working on the redoing of their next test flights. This will be the next big thing for Virgin Galactic, right? I think that the flight of Richard Branson is definitely going into Q2, because I think it was mentioned in the last quarter earnings that in the Q1, in the end of it, will be the Richard Branson flight. But now with the delays, not only because the test flight didn't went well, but because of the overall situation that we had the lockdown. Guys, don't forget we had the lockdown where Virgin Galactic couldn't do anything, slash they could do with a minimum crew, which was not sufficient to make the test flight as planned. But however, they did it then after the lockdown immediately, which was great. However, the test flight was definitely not to 100% successful, but we know now that they can land the spaceship, you know, a little bit, after they had a failure of the ignition of the rocket. You know how you call it, the rocket part of the spaceship, which is also a great point. You know, we always need to stay positive. This company is in the very beginning, guys. They did already years and years of work, but now comes the proof of concept. And once this is done, let's have a look actually what was the overall situation with Virgin Galactic. Obviously, you know, the volume here can be very low by tomorrow, guys, because we are going into a shortened trading day, so I don't think we will see a similar volume like we saw today. The average volume here is 16 million and we were at 17.5, so a little bit more than the average, I think, while the people saw the opportunity technical wise. I think this gave the stock a little bit of gain, so you know, it's fine, it's great. I think that we don't see in general, we don't see the big Santa rally. You can see here the last 5 days was pretty, you know, if you're looking into the S&P 500, pretty stable and not big moving, and I think this will also stay tomorrow. Maybe some profit taking, but usually also you seeing a little bit, you know, gain over those days, right? That's why they call it the Santa rally. Usually also towards the end of the year, you see a little bit higher pricing. So I'm super excited. I hope you too. And thank you very much for watching. Even when it's late here, it's 1 a.m. in Dubai. I will go to bed because I need to prepare some content for you. So take care. Have a fantastic day. Stay healthy and safe. And let me know what you are doing with Virgin Galactic over the Christmas days. I hope you are still loading more about this stock. I think the stock has a great potential. Nothing changed fundamentally in this company story. So I'm super bullish. And yeah, I wish you a fantastic day.